Singer hub, right? Right? Listen to the sex. Listen to it. Listen to the sex. Pretty sexy, huh? Okay. And then McNeil seat. Oh, and back to the rim. It looks to be a hazard light in black. And it's Maxis Miracle Tread. Odyssey MDS on 5 Dolman cranks with Prima mags. Now, going over here. Verde Radia 2010. Animal stem. Not exactly sure which one it is, but if you've got any idea what it is, you can go ahead and tell me. Primo. Sam Squatch. Fly front hub. Not exactly sure which one it is either. Any ideas? Please tell me. And then it's laced to a Envy Sun and Mankind Archangel Forks. Because amazing. Okay. And I think, oh, Duo Stunner. It's on a Duo Stunner. Sorry about the room. It's kind of a mess.